Southern California. You can't get any better than this. Oh yeah. Get our tater and our scrubber to get wet. We're going to scrub the tater real good. Clean it off. Get it nice and clean and get it clean and good to go, right? That's how we scrubbed them. Now, what we want to do is grab you some paper towel. Right? We're going to dry them. Put some more paper towel over here on the side. Because we're going to dry these off. Right? Get them nice and dry. You'll see why I'm doing that. I'm going to get some California virgin olive oil. Get you some of this. You're going to get some sea salt. Oh, that smells good. Pepper. I wish you could smell that. This actually smells good. Wow. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put all your taters on your pan right here. Get all your taters here. Oh, you're back, huh? You smell the salt? Cleo's like, oh, my nose. Put a nice, generous coating of olive oil. And the reason I'm doing this is because, well, I want it to crisp up. We're gonna get these out on the smoker. Just rub your tater. Oh, yeah. Get all in there. Rub that tater. Oh yeah. Get it all nice and coated. Get that oil, massage that tater. Huh, Cleo? Huh? Yeah, you're like, Dad, you're an idiot. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We hit them with some pepper. Salt. And salt and pepper to taste, you know, whatever you want to do. Okay, here we go. Look at this meat. This is what Cleo wants. Right here. I don't blame her. Whenever the internal temperature hits about 135, 140 degrees, and then we'll take it off. Season. Put some seasoning on this. There you go. Coat that. You ain't gonna hurt it. Get them all in the pool. Oh yeah. Rub that around. Get them all in the pool. Everybody wants to come to that party. There you go. I am not gentle with my meat, but it's okay. Because I know what I like. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. Get it on here. Oh yeah, just coat this up. Oh yeah. you never had a Papa Drew tri-tip, you're missing out. I'm telling you right now. And I'm just using some straight up bought, nothing fancy, store rub. Okay. We can cook and do Halloween at the same time. This is epic. I now have a fog machine that puts out tasty treats. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Look at that. Tri-tip on the lower, all them baked potatoes on the upper. We're gonna bake at 225, right? 225, and then we're gonna leave it in there for 3 hours. Oh yeah. We got an apple pie on the smoker, everybody. Yeah, there we go. Just cooking her up. All right, so the first smoke. What do you think, Angie?
It's yummy.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
All right. Got some salad, some taters.